the Vice President is as involved as she started. So, nung rinol out yung mga programa natin, beginning 2022, up to now, her involvement is the same, even more. Kasi, syempre, marami tayong nakikita na pwede pang mga areas of improvement. Maraming mga bagong ideas rin na binibigay si Vice President. So, her involvement never diminished. Yes, tatanong kasi na-imagine ko na ang next question. Even if she's not physically here, she's still the one running the office. Kasi may technology naman eh, di ba? Tayo lang, yung mga nandito, kami yung gumagawa. Kami yung mga sundalo, but the instructions come directly from the Vice President herself.